Hello guys. This is your tweet once more. So basically, Nasdaq, if I do this is the Nasdaq here. We can go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's go 15-minute time frame. So here we are on the Nasdaq chart, 15-minute time frame. I was literally planning to sell above these guys, which is Asian buy side. And my stop was there, and then basically I was thinking for these lows there and so forth, right? Literally bearish. This is the 1 hour of it. I'll put on the lipstick now. I just want to show you. So this I consider it as a runaway gap. You'll see as I put on the lipstick. So basically we just tap that here, right? And Asia here. So me today I was just looking for to just a little bit above Asia, just a little bit above Asia. That would be enough. But the market says no, we don't want to go there no more. Not at all. Just went lower like that, right? If we go back to the 1 minute, that's the 1 minute. Okay. A little bit of networking, okay, that's how it goes. That's the lipstick there. So this is a daily volume imbalance in yellow. So this is a regular. Can I do this? Here we have also, okay. This is a regular, this one in white. Regular trading hours opening range gap. This one there. I'm just gonna put it where it was. Of course, you can put lines or whatever, but I'm just noting it like that. So basically, here in my previous video, you can hear me talking about wanting this high to be taken out. It does that. I was just looking for it to take this, like literally, I swear. Just taking Asian buy side. Let's see there. There. Just taking Asian buy side wouldn't have been enough for me, but it just did this, touched the low of the runaway gap, went lower, and then as it came back like this, inversion fair value gap here, hits that with this candlestick, goes lower, comes back into that, still satisfies that, goes lower, and then the market just goes lower, literally just goes lower like that, taking initial sell side here, right? So, and then new day, new week open gap high here was hit, went up, that's reasonable. First presented fair value gap, some probably sold, went lower, couldn't take out this low, and then it went higher once more after using new week open gap high here, went higher, and here using the macro at 1150, it went up, respected first presented fair value gap right after 7 there, this one respected it there, shot lower, so it respects this one here because nobody's in the upper half, just goes lower. Even here, nobody's in the upper half, respects this one again here, but just going and wicking there. If I zoom in, that's a sign of respect there. Also, fair value gap sell, selling fair value gap, also the respect here. So that was during lunch though. This is during lunch, using the lunch macro here. If you are selling using the lunch macro, if perhaps you realize that it did not want to return here. I did not do it, and then I did not move as you saw, this was here. I just wanted to show you where it was before I just delete it. Let me just delete that, delete order, delete. The order's deleted. So the market did not want to return here once more. So that's okay. We'll see it tomorrow, right? Now in the PM session, we have FOMC member talking. So uh, this is the PM session here. In about 5 minutes, the member will start talking. So this is the opening range for the PM session. Yes, this one here. And here the member will be talking. So literally in this case, let me go to 1 hour. I literally thought we're gonna go one more up above this. We did not. But that makes sense because this one is a runaway gap, right? It's gonna be treated like that, so it makes sense. So I did not lose money because I was not in that trade. Yeah, could have taken it, risking that probably this, but nah, I didn't do that. So we'll see it tomorrow. And looking at it, it is going down, but does not have that speed, right? If you've been trading in Nasdaq, like really does not have that that speed because Nasdaq really moves. Currently, this is not like the optimum movement from the Nasdaq that I expect here. But I'm thinking if it went above this a bit, even by wicking just like here, but just a bit bigger, it was gonna fall crazy, not like this. It was gonna like really cut through butter, It was not gonna do this, what it's doing. Going out, down, going up, going down, going up, going down. It was not gonna do that type of thing. It was gonna go down really fast. Really, really fast. So this is the 15-minute time frame. I'm trying to see something here. Yeah, we're gonna see something like this. We're gonna see something like this, right? Because this thing moves. So when the Nasdaq says it's gonna fall. So, but okay, that's okay, guys. That's what I saw. That's what happened. I'm just gonna wait and see. You can see how he knew they was used here, most of this trade. So here, this red ones it's a daily wick. I've graded it. Everything can see it being used there in the 15-minute time frame. So yeah, this is London sell side from yesterday. And the sell side resting there. Let's go to 5 minutes and see. 5 minutes. Of course, selling somewhere here, taking profits below here, partial profits. Even this, we wouldn't be worried about it. Goes lower, take more below here. And as it goes lower. But for me, I'm just waiting. Let's see what will it do. Could it magically come above here once more? Probably not. But if not, we'll see what it does tomorrow. But the setup is the same. The setup is the same here. Initial buy side taken, you sell that. But for me today, I was like literally waiting for it to come above this. I was gonna sell. Didn't do that because probably it's respecting this runaway gap. So the social trades, that's what happened. Thank you guys. Thank you. Social trades. Hmm. See that. Social trades. Social trades. Okay. Currently, this is what we have. Hmm. Actually, this is much prominent. This is real Nasdaq when it's moving. When it's really cutting through butter, I just want to see US cutting through butter. Let's see selling. What's selling? Because that's the type of selling I was like anticipating. Like, oh, clearly, Nasdaq likes going higher, right? But can you see how it cuts through butter? Like literally cuts through butter. That's the type of selling that I was anticipating. But we have what we have. So thank you guys. That's the Nasdaq. Probably it didn't even go there above this, probably even because of other influences. Let me see. Mostly because they controlled it. You see, this one just went lower. Okay. Asian high. Couldn't be taken even here. Went lower. And this one is really going low. Sell side here. This the Dow, guys. Let's see the S&P. Okay. S&P is also going, but it's just going nicely. Go. I'll go. Let's see a low time frame, maybe. Let's see that. Okay. This was the gap. This kind gap went higher, fully closed. Started going lower. It is going lower, but we don't have that speed, right? So we'll trade. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow's NFP. So it's gonna get a little crazy. So yeah, can it go take this low? Yes. Take this low? Yes. This one, yes. Eventually, this one, yes, it can do that. But I would love to have seen to see the speed. See, this fair value gap is like, yes, it's kept open a bit. I would like to have seen speed, a real speed. But you don't always see what you have to, what you want, right? Not always. So this is the lipstick. Okay, let me clean it a bit. So you see, respected it here. Outside of it, touched it, went lower. See above London by side, but doesn't take this. So yeah, that's what we had. Overall, nicely moving lower. Nicely moving lower. Sell side resting here. More here and here. So yeah, I'm still bearish on the Nasdaq. See how we deal tomorrow with it. Thank you guys.